Hey everyone, it's Shay from Terminus with another exciting update for all of our marketing users, as well as your partners in sales and customer success. The Terminus platform has always shown account-level web visit data for the accounts in your active ABM tactics, enabling marketing to measure their success outcomes and sales to stay aligned on which accounts to action with specific messaging. Previously, we added engagement spike modeling, which uses AI to go beyond simple web visits to prioritize your accounts by those that are showing meaningful engagement behavior that's higher than normal. Now, we've added the ability to see engagement data and engagement spike alerts on all accounts you've uploaded into Account Hub, not just the ones you're running active plays to. This means that every market-facing rep in sales and in customer success can use this new engagement data to prioritize their entire account portfolio. And for all of our marketing users, you can use this data to surface cold CRM accounts for companies that are re-engaging with your brand and put them back at the top of your account team's hit list. And if you aren't currently supporting your customers with digital display tactics, you can support your customer success team by surfacing customer accounts that are engaging with your brand at a higher than normal level. At Terminus, we're already using this engagement data because it enables a few new use cases. For my sales team, I can filter by high-fit accounts that have lost opportunities but are currently re-engaging on our website. Let's set that one up. Okay, and so we specifically want to go to the opportunity section here, and we're going to filter only on opportunity types that are new business. And then we want the stage to be set to closed lost, since that's what we're looking to and trying to highlight for sales. And we want those accounts that are showing re-engagement. So we'll go to accounts that are in our engagement model that are showing interest in the last 30 days. We can hit apply. And just as a quick aside, if you don't have an engagement spike model set up, you can go to support.terminus.com and check out the article on engagement spike and engagement models. That'll help you get those set up. But back to Hub, we can see here we have 22 total accounts. However, we are currently filtering on all accounts that have closed loss opportunities that showed engagement in the last 30 days. Now, if we think through this, accounts that were closed lost in the past quarter, it would make sense for them to have shown engagement. So we want to filter those up because that's not going to be any new information for our sales team. So if we go back into the opportunity section, we can set our close date. I'm going to select all so that I can deselect future quarters and the past quarter so that we can filter only by accounts that have old opportunities that are closed lost that are re-engaging. So you can see here now we have 15 total accounts that have old closed loss ops, and we can select all those and add them to a list. I'm going to create a new folder here for this video, and we'll just call this our Q2 initiatives. We'll create that folder, and then I will add this list of 15 counts to that folder and create a new list. And we'll call this list our dead ops with engagement. And we'll create that list. And now all 15 of those accounts are added to a list where I can import that list into Terminus Engage to set up digital display tactics or LinkedIn tactics to those 15 accounts that are re-engaging with our brand. If I want to help sales out directly, I can actually sort by sales activity. So I'll just go here and sort to the accounts that they don't have any active sales activity, and I can send those over to sales, or I can do the same thing by ad impressions and sort for accounts that have no ad impressions to prioritize even more for digital tactics. And what's cool from a sales user perspective is that they don't need to come into Hub, because within Salesforce, if we come over here, you can go to the Terminus page down here, and that will bring up all of our standard Terminus reports that were previously showing engagement data only on accounts in tactics, but are now showing engagement data for every single account you've imported into Hub. And actually on the account record page, you can see all of that engagement data under the Terminus metrics section for last ad click date, how many ad impressions an account is seeing, as well as all the pages that a sales rep or CS rep's target account is visiting. The Terminus SDR team loves this engagement data because it prevents them from doing unfiltered call blitzes and instead lets them prioritize their entire backlog of accounts, sending the right message at the right time. We can also support our customer success team by surfacing customer accounts with open renewals or cross-sell, upsell, or expansion opportunities that are already engaging with our brand. And let's set up a similar list for our CS team. So we'll clear all filters so we can start from scratch. And then from a CS perspective, we want to only select accounts that are customers. So come to account type, customer, and then we want different opportunity types, obviously. So we'll go to the opportunity section and we will do opportunity types that are cross-sell, renewal, and upsell. And then similarly, we still want to highlight accounts that are showing engagement. So we'll select our engagement model and have a spike in the last 30 days. And we can apply that and we'll come up with 5 total customer accounts that have open opportunities that are engaging with our brand at a higher than normal level. So I can add all those to a list, just like we did from the sales perspective. So I'm going to go down here to our Q2 initiatives folder and I'll create a new list. And we'll call this list our CSM renewal 1-to-1. Create the list. So just like we did with sales, we can take this list of 5 accounts and import it as an audience list into Terminus Engage for digital ad tactic, or we can send it direct to the CSM so they can start working these accounts more personally. And that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna dig in onto one of these accounts, reach out to our CSM and say, hey, we know this person at this account in this opportunity is engaging with this type of content. Here's something else relevant you can reach out to her with. So here we're gonna go over to Westmore Industries and we wanna look at the opportunity. So we're gonna go over to Opportunity Insights and click on Westmore's renewal opportunity. And you can see here in this view a graph of the timing on content and the people that have been engaged in the opportunity. But we're gonna look at the list version just because it's easier for me to see the content. I'm gonna filter by most recent. And then if I'm a CSM or a marketing manager and I know Beth Cole has been the main POC at this account on this opportunity, so I'm gonna look and see what she's been doing. And she's been engaging in March with this New Age of Cybersecurity white paper. So if I know that this is a renewal opportunity, but she's showing interest in our cybersecurity offering, I might be able to transition this from just a renewal opportunity into an upsell opportunity. And those are just a few quick examples of how our expanded ability to highlight all account engagement makes it easier for sales and customer success to know what their accounts are doing, as well as provide marketing air cover with personalized content and messaging. Thanks for watching and get list building.